Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Elastic Container Registry is here. Amazon Elastic Container Registry eliminates the need to operate and scale the infrastructure required to power your container registry. Just push your container images to Amazon ECR and pull the images using any container management tool when you need to deploy. In this tutorial, we will see about how to create Amazon ECR in AWS. Let's go to the video. Before that, log into your AWS account. This is the AWS Management Console page. In here, you need to select the service. In here, I'm selecting Elastic Container Registry ECR. We need to create a new repository. To create a new repository, click Get Started. Give the repository name. Once completed, click Create Repository. Repository were created. View the repository by clicking. There is no any images uploaded here. Now I am going to upload the images by using EC2 instance. For that, we need to create a new instance. Go to console page, click EC2, then choose instance. In here, we need to create a new instance. For that, click launch instance. We need to choose Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Select. I am choosing free tier. Click configure instance details. In here, I am choosing default VPC. We need to create a IAM role. For that, click here. Click create role. I am selecting AWS service EC2. After that, click next permission. In here, I am going to select registry Amazon EC2 container registry full access. We need to select this. Click next tags. In here, I don't give any tag. Click review. Give the role name. ECR EC2. This is my policy. Next, click create role. Role were created. Next, you need to select that role. Next, click add storage. Click next. Add tags. Configure security group. In here, I am choosing existing security group. In this security group, I am configure all traffic. Next, click review and launch. Next, launch the instance. I am going to create a new key pair. Download the key pair. Once completed, launch the instance. View the instance. State is pending. It will take some time. Now instance were running. Open the instance. This is the public IP this instance. I am going to connect this instance with SSH to open the AWS console. I am using Mobaxterm. In here we need to give that public IP. Username is EC2 user. It will be a default port. Next, we need to add the downloaded key. Open downloads. Click open. Click OK. The session was connected. Next, go to ECR. In this repository, click here to view the commands. I am open this link for reference. These are the steps we need to do in EC2 instance. First, we need to install Docker. For that, we need to connect that instance we have already connected. Next, copy this command. Already updated. Next, we need to install Docker community package by using these commands. The packages we're installing, give yes. Next, I'm going to start the Docker by using this command. Next, I'm going to add the EC2 user to the Docker group. By using this command, we can run the commands without using sudo. Once completed, check the Docker information without using sudo command. For that, we need to reload the page. For that, we need to reload the terminal. I'm creating duplicate terminal. In here, I'm using that command docker info. It will show the information about the Docker. Next, we need to create a Docker image. To create a Docker image, first we need to create a Docker file by using this command. Edit that Docker file. In here, we need to add this content in Docker file. Open Docker file. These are the content we need to enter in the Docker file. This content explains this Docker file uses the Ubuntu 18.04 image. In here, the run instructions is to update the packages and install the web server. Next, in here, it will print the hello world statement in index.html page. Next, these are the Apache configuration for this Docker image. The expose instruction exposes port 80 on the container, and the cmd instruction start the web server, that means Apache server. Save and quit the file. Once completed, we need to build the Docker image from your Docker file. For that, we need to go to our ECR. In this repository, click view push commands. Copy this command. This command is used to retrieve an authentication token and authenticate your Docker client to your registry. We need to run this command in AWS CLI. That means in this terminal, we need to run that command. It shows login succeeded. Next, we need to build the Docker image by using following command. Will processing. Next, we need to tag the image, push the image to this repository. For that, copy this command. After build completes, next we need to tag that image. Run the following command to push this image to our repository. The image we are pushing to the repository. We can check the process by reload this repository. The image we are created. The image were successfully pushed to our repository. With this method, creation of Amazon ECR in AWS comes to an end. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. To watch more tutorial, visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.